This is a simple and fast review of the KUYIGO men's textured short sleeve collared shirt. We're going to open this up, show you what it looks like up close, try it on, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its bag here, nice textured feel for sure, inside and out, just so you know it's consistent. Kind of a black looking button. Collar's a little bit stiffer than the rest of the fabric, but you kind of want that in this situation. We'll see how well it lays when I'm wearing it. This is a size large. I am 160-ish pounds. I'm 6'1". Show you the sleeve here. Does have kind of like a little bit of I don't know what you call that, because this is not my specialty. But just it's not a it's got some stitching. I don't know what you would call these little edges at the bottom, but they're there. It's not just a flat piece like sometimes you have a longer edge in like sweaters and stuff like that. So the sleeve seems pretty standard. Show you the fabric up close, kind of that cable knit texture. A little bit of stretch to it. It's pretty sweet. I'm pretty sure this is got a mix of, polyester, 95% polyester and 5% spandex for the stretch. Feels light, feels like it's great summer kind of shirt. We're going to go ahead and get it washed up, try it on, test it out, all that stuff. Looks like a great golf shirt. All right, so got it on, very comfortable, form-fitting. As you can see, it kind of highlights all your your spots that show. So it just shows you how thin this is. It's not that it's uncomfortably thin or anything, but it's just going to show all your pouches and stuff like that. So be aware. Now, if you're a muscular dude, you might be like, and look great in it. For me, again, it's going to show the little details. So again, it's going to show the little things, whether you're wearing belts or whatnot. It may show if you're wearing it on the outside. If you're tucked in, you're totally fine. As far as the collar's super comfortable. Floats a little bit right here. Just be aware of that. I think with time, with a couple washes, it'll be broken in nicely. The length is good. The comfort is great. My belly button's here. My waist is here. I'm 6'1", 165 pounds. So overall, the feel is great. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.